Hi, welcome back to the PC Error Detective channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to disable laptop keyboard in Windows 10, so you can stop your built-in keyboard from working when you don't need it. Step 1. Click on the search icon on the taskbar, which is located next to the Start button, and this helps you quickly find system tools and settings on your Windows 10 computer. Step 2. Type Device Manager into the search box and click on Device Manager from the search results, because this tool allows you to view and control all the hardware devices connected to your laptop. Step 3. Once the Device Manager window opens, look for the option called Keyboards and click the small arrow next to it, so you can expand the list and see all keyboard devices installed on your system. Step 4. Right-click on each keyboard device listed under the Keyboard section, as this gives you access to options that let you manage or turn off the selected keyboard. Step 5. From the menu that appears, click on Disable Device or Uninstall Device, which stops Windows from using the laptop keyboard and prevents accidental key presses. Step 6. If a confirmation message appears, click Yes or Confirm to apply the changes, and after this, your laptop keyboard will stop working until it is enabled again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.